Let's look at a half buckle carrier. A half buckle carrier is a carrier that has a buckle at the waist belt and shoulder straps that you need to tie. It has a back panel with the shoulder straps that are pretty long, and then this one is adjustable. It adjusts at the width and it adjusts in the height right here. This one adjusts as well, so it adjusts in the width, and this is the height adjustment. This one has a different type of height adjustment. So these straps are partially padded, not padded right here, so you can wear them in narrow padded shoulders or you can spread them. These are unpadded, so the fabric can be spread completely, and these are partially padded and sewn in a way that you cannot spread them very far, but they spread a little bit further if you come down the strap a bit more. It combines the versatility of a woven wrap with the easiness of having a buckle. It makes it easier to fit it to your body than a full buckle carrier, but also makes it a little bit more work learning how to tie, probably. They do come in different sizes, so some are suitable from birth and others are suitable for bigger kids. So you have a toddler or preschool size, but that doesn't fit right from birth. You can see how big a toddler size is. Put it on in a front carry. You put the waist belt up pretty high. Close the buckle. Tighten the waist belt so it's flat on your body. And you can prepare this carry. So I put the shoulder straps over my shoulder. You want it to be crossed in the back, and then you go back to the front. I tie a half knot and open up the carry so my baby can go in. I guide their legs, so one on each side. And then I pull tight. You can go over the legs, back under, and tie a double knot, or you could just go under, tie a double knot here, or cross and tie a double knot at the back. These straps are not super wide, but some of them are, and then you can really use it to spread and support the carry, especially with a toddler or in a back carry. That adds to the comfort. Tie a double knot, go in, do a pelvic tuck, so it tilts their pelvis a little bit, making sure the knees are higher than the bum. The carrier is adjusted in a way that it doesn't cover their face. The airways are free, chin up chest. Back is supported. If I want to use this headrest, I put up only one side. I don't want to do this. You could use it to support a sleeping baby's head, but you still want their face to be visible and their airways to be free. A half buckle carrier is suitable for front carries, hip carries and back carries. Carrier that, depending on the carrier type you have, you can use pretty much from birth, or at least with a small baby and upwards, and as long as it has the adjustability to make sure the fabric is from knee to knee and not overspreading. And the carrier size in height can be adjusted to fit your baby. It's a versatile carrier option that adapts to many body shapes and forms, and especially if two caregivers both want to carry the baby and they are different sizes or heights, this is a great option to use between both of them without having to adjust and change the carrier every time, because you tie the straps anyway.